What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, AD. Welcome back to the channel, Miles and Money, where we talk about everything miles and money. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button below, because I already know you're going like this. Now let's get into this video. Today, I'm just on here just to tell all the YouTube folks out here who do gig economy, who do Uber, DoorDash, Deliver That, who do any of these kind of apps, to make sure this isn't the only thing that you're focused on. Make sure, because whenever these apps decide that you're no longer valuable, they'll deactivate you. Whenever these apps no longer have business in your city, they close shop and you're left with nothing. So you want to always try to make sure that you have multiple apps that you're working on. You want to also make sure that you're working on other things besides working on these apps, because again, who knows? Just as quick as Uber came, there could be another app that comes and take over. There are folks right now who are working on new apps that are paying very well. So I mean, none of this is guaranteed. So you just want to make sure that you have a backup plan. You have other things in motion where if things don't work out doing this, you have something else, you know? For me, I was a producer, a songwriter. You know, I was in the music industry, dealt with music. That was my main focus at first. And then I got into drop shipping and Amazon FBA. So that's something that I do also to help supplement my income and make my money. Because again, you never know. You could be doing this thing today and tomorrow it gets taken from you. So many drivers get deactivated. The DoorDash app, for whatever reason they feel like. Customer lies, say you stole their order. A restaurant saying you took the order, or they just let you go and you have no explanation. That's how a lot of times these things end up. You have no explanation on why you deactivated. It'd be months later. If you keep contacting them, eventually they get back to you, but for the most part, nothing. So it's like you can't depend on them, you know? If you're getting value from this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you have something else. Make sure you taking care of yourself. Make sure you're being active, working out, going to the gym, just being productive, you know, because tomorrow isn't promised for none of us. So you can't make money if you're not here, you know. And I'm just celebrated my 40th birthday, and I'm really grateful for life. I'm really grateful for family, really grateful for my wife. I'm really grateful just God giving me the opportunity to still be able to make something of myself, you know. Some people didn't get a chance to wake up today, so it's a blessing to be able to be here and to do the things that we do. So like, just, you know, for me, I don't take life for granted. I don't ever put all my eggs in one bucket. I always try to just make opportunities and live life the best way I can live it. So this video wasn't much, man. I was just on here trying to maybe inspire one person to think outside of just this gig economy space and just find something else to do, because this can be taken from you at any time, at any day, and then you're stuck. If you relied on these apps and they deactivated you, then you don't have anything else. You're at their mercy. So it's only right that you find something that you enjoy, a trade, maybe something that you just like, fixing cars, making music, sports, something. Find something outside, find a hobby outside of the gig economy and working not all the time, because again, if you're not here to enjoy the money that you make, what else matters? But then again, y'all, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. It's your boy signing off. Until next time, peace.